In the world of content creation, vlogging has become extremely popular as everyone wants to get more fans and followers. Drones can be a perfect and sustainable way to make your vlogging even better. With excellent camera and filming abilities, capturing awesome aerial shots will give you more possibilities while you're vlogging. Many of us think all drones come with a huge price tag, but there are lots of drone companies providing their quality drones at an affordable price. In today's video, we have listed the top 5 best budget drones for vlogging, which will allow you to show your creativity without getting bankrupt. Keep your vision always on top with Deerc D50 drone, which is a perfect companion for beginners who wish to learn how to fly a drone for vlogging. The D50 comes with a 2K Ultra HD camera, which will allow you to create high-definition footage for your vlogging. It also comes with a 120-degree FOV for a wider view. With auto-hovering and a one-key operation, you can start, land, or change speed by pressing a single button. The drone also comes with waypoints flying feature, which will allow you to create a path for your drone by using your smartphone. The drone also follows the direction you move your smartphone with the gravity control system. With the altitude hold feature, you can accurately log the height of your drone, which will help you to get stable footage. You can also start or land your drone just with the simple voice commands. The D50 comes with 2 modular batteries, which will give you up to 24 minutes of flight time for vlogging. Overall, to increase your vlogging quality, the Deerc D50 comes with a user-friendly design for beginners at a reasonable price. Capture every moment of your adventure with DJI Ryze Tello, which is an impressive little drone for kids and adults that helps you get the desired footage while vlogging. Equipped with a 5-megapixel camera, the Tello shoots amazing photos and videos of your adventure. You can record 720p videos at 30 FPS for your vlogging. The Tello also comes with 2 antennas, which will make video transmission more stable. With the Easy Shots feature, you can record pro-level videos even if you don't have much idea on how to fly. The Tello also comes with an auto takeoff and landing feature to fly or land your drone with just a single tap. With fail-safe protection, you can land your drone safely even if you lose connection. It's also compatible with VR headset, which will provide a spectacular first-person view. With the high-capacity battery, you can fly your drone for up to 13 minutes, which is impressively long considering its price range and compact size. In general, creating breathtaking footage with fun, the DJI Ryze Tello is full of fantastic features for endless enjoyment without hurting your wallet. Get more aerial footage and make your vlogging more interesting with Eachine E520S, which will deliver outstanding resolution and stability. The E520S comes with a 4K camera, which will deliver a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. It also comes with 5G video transmission to provide you with a real-time view without dropping the connection. With altitude hold mode, the drone will stay stable in the air to reduce image distortion from your footage. It also comes with a surrounding feature, which will enable the aircraft to fly in a circle, providing a cooler shooting perspective. Draw a path on the screen with the waypoint flight mode and the drone will follow it automatically. Are you not seeing your drone or just lost signal? No worries, just tap the return key and it will come back to its starting point in no time. Equipped with a 1200 mAh battery, the E520S will allow you to shoot for up to 16 minutes and get whatever footage you need. All in all, for excellent camera resolution and battery life, the Eachine E520S will enhance your vlogging quality by giving more possibilities at this price range. Set an adventure with your friends and take Holystone HS120D with you, which is incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor vlogging with its long-lasting battery life. With a 2K Ultra HD camera, you can capture high-definition footage and directly save it to your smartphone. It also comes with gesture control, which will allow you to take photos and videos automatically when you give a pose to the camera. The drone will follow you, letting you focus on the moment and take good selfies thanks to Follow Me and Object Trace features. With a custom path, the HS120D will follow the path you create for it. It also supports the auto return home feature, which will help you bring back your drone when the drone lost signal, is out of range, or has low power. With 3 batteries, the drone will give you up to 54 minutes of immersive flying experience, which is more than enough to create more viewing angles for your vlogging content. Altogether, to continue your vlogging for a long time, the Holy Stone HS120D comes with a huge battery life which makes it simply marvelous for vloggers. Transform any moment into a work of art with DJI Mini SE, which is the perfect creative companion for vloggers with its overall best technology and features. The DJI Mini SE comes with a 12-megapixel camera, which will help you to capture the detail from an aerial view. You can also record 2.7K videos at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS. It also comes with a 3-axis gimbal to give you camera stability and ensure ultra-smooth footage. With a 4km HD video transmission, you'll get to see what your drone camera sees in real time. With quick shot modes, you'll capture the footage like a professional even though you're a beginner. It also comes with a vision sensor and GPS precise hover to provide more stability while the drone stays in the air. The drone is almost as light as a smartphone as it weighs only 246 grams. Equipped with a 2600 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. For the most part, for portability, battery life, stability, and camera, the DJI Mini SE delivers its outstanding performance for vloggers in a compact size without getting bankrupt. So, that was all about the top 5 best budget drone for vlogging just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.